Good morning, it's my Jeep update for Sunday, February 6, 2022. I did work Saturday, but I didn't take any video. I just did some minor things. Didn't take very long. I put my new blower motor in, and I checked some things. I went ahead and hooked up my battery to check the blower motor that it works, and it worked fine. But I did run into some other electrical problems or issues, and I'm not sure about them. I'm not going to deal with them until later on. You can see I got my, excuse me. You can see I got my blend door actuator out. They don't work. And I'm not going to do anything right now because that is a new actuator. I put that in probably 4 or 5 months ago, and but I can't get it to work. It's not, there's no power to it, but I'm not sure if it's an electrical issue or a computer issue. Now, there's nothing wrong with the shaft there. The blend doors work. When I turn the shaft physically, they move back and forth. The reason I'm gonna leave them alone right now, and I'll check them later, is because with this being shut down, the battery out of the system for about 2 months now, it could be a computer issue. So I'll wait till I get everything back together, get the battery back into it, start it up, to let it run for a while and see if the computer resets, then check it. Then I'll start, if it doesn't work, then I'll start backtracking and see if I can find the problem. I will check the fuse though, just for the heck of it, because I don't think there's going to be a fuse. It could be, but we'll just see. I don't know if everything has to reset for this system to work right. I just don't have enough knowledge on it. But anyway, that's my Jeep update for now. I did get my low pressure line hooked up to the compressor. I'm gonna get, I'll have to get underneath the vehicle, and I'm gonna get the high pressure side connected, and then go from there, and I'll update later. That's my Jeep out for now. And good morning, still Sunday, about 10 o'clock now. I've been working off and on now for the last couple of hours. Nothing major, but I do have both my lines. You can probably see them pretty good. I got both AC lines, discharge line and low pressure line are both connected now. So I had a little struggle there to get that high pressure one in position. You gotta work with it. It came out easy, but now, you know, this hose, I forget the manufacturer, but I guess it after getting it hooked up, it looks like it's all in the right position, you know, where it hooks up to the condenser. So, but I had to struggle a little bit, but I got it finally, and that's the first time I've ever done it in the AC lines that I can recall. I may have done disconnected and replaced some back in the 70s or 80s, but that's getting way back there. But anyway, I got a little, I think what I'm gonna do is a little bit of troubleshooting now on the actuator doors that I was talking about earlier. I found a test that you can run. I'm gonna do that test. I gotta hook up my battery. I'm just gonna jump it. I got it over there. I keep it on a trickle charger, and I'm gonna jump it over here and run that test. That's supposed to recalibrate the blend doors. And if that don't work, I'm going to take that actuator out, and I found a test how I can test that actuator with a 9-volt battery to make sure the actuator's still good. But anyway, that and the fuse box, I got to check the fuse and all that. And anyway, that's my Jeep update for right now. Still Sunday, about 10 o'clock. And that's February 6th, my Jeep out. And this is a quick update for my Jeep. And after doing some checks, I found that my actuator now does work. I did a test in here where I pull the fuse out for a while, for a couple of minutes, and put it back in. Now for the heat, from cold to heat, the actuator motor, I have it off the blender door shaft, and it does work. But I cannot figure out, now there's a number of reasons that could be the cause of I can't get air through the vents. I had it before, shut this thing down and put it in here to work on. It could be a vacuum line. It could be a number of things. I really don't know. I've taken so much stuff off. I may have disconnected a vacuum line. That could be the problem. It could be an electrical issue too. I don't know. It's something that I will address after I get all this back together. I'll have to. But anyway, the blower motor works. The heater door work. But I don't have my recirculation door. It's just flapping. It's not sealing anything off. That could be the problem. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's a my Jeep update for now. And if I do any whoop whoop this afternoon, I'll get back to you. My Jeep out. And good morning. It's my Jeep update, and it's already Monday, February the 7th, a week into the February 2022. All right, been doing a little work. The piddling type.
What the hell you talking about, boy?
Some of the
what
paint.
work?
Now I did get my power steering unit back in place. I put the idler pulley. I'm not going to put the tensioner on until I'm ready to put the belt on. And I'm just I'm getting prepared. I got to check everything, get my torques down on these bolts that put in here, and I got my lower radiator hose back on, and I get prepared to get that radiator reinstalled. That's probably what I'm going to be doing this afternoon. Well, anyway, that's a my Jeep update, and just trying to think. Yeah, I got. When I get that radiator in, then my condenser, then I can finish getting the rest of these the transmission lines attached, and getting the discharge line and the low pressure line attached to the condenser. Okay, that's an update for now. If I make any progress, I will update on my Jeep out.